Presentation. My name is Juan Carlos Gaitan. I am from Colombia. I am an environmental engineering student. I live in Florencia, Caquetá. I live with my family, my wife, Olga Liliana, my daughter, Evelyn Sofía Gaitan, my son, Carlos Manuel Gaitan. I like to ride a bike. I like to travel. I like beach. I like to exercise. I don't like cats and dogs. I don't like to ride a horse. I don't like it when it's cold. In the future, I would like to know Mexico. This country has beautiful beaches and its people are very friendly. Thank you.